Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can change your name on Zoom. So to begin with, let's launch the app. After that, go into the More section, then tap on this little field containing your profile preview, then display name, and in here you can change the first name, last name, as well as the name that is going to be displayed to others. So I'll, for example, change it to, let's say, hello there, whatever, really. Save. As you can see, our display name has been successfully changed. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.